Hello everyone, I've got two models from Liberty64, but first, very important, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see more Diecast Cars. Do I have more models from Liberty64? Well, I do have a very cool diorama from Liberty64 right here. I have another one right here. Yes, they make very cool dioramas. Now I've ordered this car right here. This one, a Red Bull version here, and a Jack Daniel's Coca-Cola version. There's also a Heineken version, and I believe there is another one. Let's have a look. Jack Daniel's Tennessee Surmez Whiskey V-Dub Beetle pickup in a 1/64 scale. Nothing wrong with that. Cool thing is, it comes with a Jack Daniel's bottle. Yeah, the model itself looks very nice. Liberty64 Beetle pickup. With those side mirrors, windscreen wipers, Volkswagen logo here on top. Jack Daniel's logo on the side with the Coca-Cola underneath it. Pretty nice interior. Jack Daniel's here on the back window. This feels plastic, but the rest is die-cast. What do you have? Rubber design, it says. Also nice rims. This one, oh, this model is fantastic. Let's take it off the base plate. There we go. Metal base. Thank you very much. Rolling wheels, not super good, as you can see, but the brake disc and the brake claw will stay on its place. Yeah, very cool. And then, of course, you can do it like this, and I think that looks so awesome. And the one with the Heineken version comes with the Heineken bottle, so that's also pretty nice. Maybe I'm going to order that one as well, because I think the car looks fantastic. And that it comes with an accessory is also a plus for me. Red Bull version, I thought it would be nice for my Red Bull diorama. Come with this Red Bull Mickey Mouse / Lego figure. Would be cool if it was a Red Bull can. Yeah, what can I say about it? Wow. Amazing. These wheels are rolling a little bit better. There's no opening part. Let's have a look at the figure. Nice interior. I like that white interior with those white seats. Very cool. Fantastic. Yeah, this one is my favorite with the Jack Daniels. I think I'm also going to order the Heineken. They're really, really good. Okay, let me know what you think about these cars. Which one is your favorite? And yes, don't forget, thumbs up, like and share. Have a good day. Bye.